Schneider National Pricing explained what you get for your money. Schneider National is a leading logistics and trucking company, but most people get this wrong. They assume pricing is rigid and opaque. The surprising truth is that Schneider tailors pricing based on shipment type, distance, and service level. For small shipments or less than truckload full services, rates start around depending on weight and destination. Full truckload or specialized freight is quoted individually. You won't believe the added flexibility options for expedited delivery, temperature-controlled shipping, and value-added services like inside delivery are all available at variable pricing. Most people get this wrong by ignoring these service options. They assume cost is linear with weight. Volume discounts, business accounts, and negotiated contracts can significantly lower per shipment expenses. In conclusion, Schneider National pricing is transparent and scalable. By understanding shipment type, optional services, and contract advantages, you go from zero to pro in planning logistics efficiently, ensuring your freight is delivered on time and on budget.